we're gonna keep trucking. So one thing I realized that's gonna help me, when you're driving, you feel like the wind is so windy and it's kind of the wind is playing with you. Make sure you slow it down, slow your truck down, okay? And both hands on the wheel, both hands on the wheel. Like me, I put my hands like this. That's how I position my hands. But always make sure you do that, because if you're trying to drive that truck with one hand and when the wind is battering you, oh, God knows what can happen. God knows what can happen. So always make sure, man, always make sure both hands on the wheel, okay? So yeah, guys, so we're gonna keep trucking with chucking and chucking. Yeah. So my next exit gonna be to Kansas City. That's gonna be my next exit. So I don't know if I'm gonna go to the city I don't know if I'm gonna go to the city or if I'm just gonna go outside of it. Okay, I would rather go outside of it because I hate driving in cities. I hate driving trucks in cities. Let me clarify that, because I don't mind driving small cars in cities. But yeah, guys, this is where I'm at with it, man. The wind is bothering me. I had to let you guys know how it is. So especially rookies, man, if you're driving a truck, man, the rain is bothering you,